I have pineapple na. Yung pineapple, baba? Good morning, everyone. It's Monday. So, nakita nyo kanina na grocery shopping ako, guys. That was straight after dropping at Paris sa school. And, dumiretso ako ng grocery shopping para isahan na lang yung lakad. And, hindi pa ako nakapagkape. So, yung aking tiyan ngayon ay, kasi hindi talaga ako nag-breakfast, guys. Breakfast is not for mommy. Kape-kape lang ang natin, ang atake natin, Kasi hindi din ako madaling magutom. So, umaga, kape, and then anong oras na ako kakain ng lunch. So, ito yung mga napamili natin doon, guys. Napakita ko na kanina sa video. And then, nag-stop ako sa, like, fruit shop next to Woolies. Kasi, bumili ako nito, pinya. So, for the half na pinya, $4, guys. Sobrang tamis ng pinya nila, guys. Kaya, balik-balik talaga ako doon. Okay, pinya. Nakaka yun yung toothpaste lang. Come here. Come to mama. Come here, Sabi. Say hi, good morning to Tita and Tito. This way. This way, Mama will carry you. Na yun, Louie Boy. Louie Boy na lang. Yay! Say morning, oh. Eh, see? Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
I can see you lang. Here.
Hi guys.
Lasos, Diyos ko Lord. Ay, grabe kasi
There's one thing.
I know. Napaka-init.
Open this.
You can if you want to. Show, Tita. Uy. Ang botong ato. I love you so much, baby girl. Oh, tie your hair. Louie boy. Stop it, Nak.
I want to see. Mama.
Okay, it's just the guy fixing the lights.
Which one?
It's been like few days. Na walang lights yung hallway kasi
It's
may
red
may
one.
natandong.
Mama, now where we can put this?
Ano ba?
Mama, now.
You're silly.
No.
Where else are you gonna put your toothpaste?
I'll show you. Where's the plate? I want to play.
You have a plate?
Yeah.
Come here. Grab two, okay? Okay.
Can you help me?
Yeah. Okay, come on. Oh. Oopsie daisy.
One more.
No, two only, honey. You're not allowed to have one more because you're only allowed to have two.
Like this. Just like
No, two only like this too. Okay.
no,
Have it.
not two.
It's the ano pala, guys. Kids Smart with Vitagummy. Vitagummy
Mama.
immune defense.
And Mama, your number 7 is gonna go. There's going to be one friend for me, Mama.
Who?
One friend.
One friend, Seth.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's your friend.
I want any other friends.
Do you like Seth?
Mama.
Honey, do you like Seth?
Yes.
Is he nice?
He has a friend. Mama, you know what's my friend, Sappy Boy?
City boy?
Yeah. This is Seth. And what is this? Sappy Boy.
What? Seth and Sethy boy is not the same? Or are they the same person?
Mama, Sappy Boy is my friend.
Oh, Sethy boy is your friend. Okay.
But you always said, you know, Seth just played with me from yesterday. I run. playing with me. I was playing.
That's nice.
But I was playing with him and he was playing with me.
That's good. It's good to have friends.
Yeah. We don't smack our friends.
We don't smack our friends. No. We love our friends.
Yeah. Mama. Mama.
Who else is your friend at school?
Anya?
Anya?
Yes.
Cool. Who else? Who is your favorite teacher?
Miss Dinah.
Miss Dinah? Why? Why is she your favorite?
Because I love Miss Dinah.
You love her?
I love you too.
I love her too. Is she nice to you?
Yes.
You know Miss Dinah is also Filipino, like Mama.
Yes. Mama?
Which country Miss Dinah is from?
Australia.
Yeah, right. But originally, like Mama.
Mama?
Meaning, it's Philippines.
Philippines.
That's right.
Mama? Miss Kara is my favorite one.
Miss Kyra is your favorite too?
2 teachers.
2 teachers?
Yes.
Yeah. What they do at school that you like the most?
Playing.
Playing.
Yes.
Cool.
I like playing with Miss Dinah.
Yeah. Is she gentle? Yeah.
He don't punch me.
What's good to know she doesn't punch you, honey.
Stop.
Stop on.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
Stop. Can I eat some of this?
I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry,
You
Mama.
have to be hungry to eat pinya.
Billion.
Pinya.
Billion.
That's right. Ani tawag asin?
Minion.
Minion.
You're yellow. You're minion. You're baby minion.
Yeah, a minion.
You're baby minion.
You know what, guys? Very exciting because
Good morning, guys.
because it's Monday.
Good morning,
Come on,
guys.
this way, na. They won't be able to see you from there. So Monday today, this is Ate Paris' second week sa school. And every Monday, meron silang assembly
Mama,
sa school.
Is this Auntie first school?
Second week na, anak. So, diba na-mention ko sa inyo, Ate Paris is now in year 2. And then, exciting part. Last week, we did receive an email from her teacher. At ito yung sabi, guys. Good morning. Paris has had a fantastic first week back at school and will be rewarded with a rise certificate in assembly on Monday the 3rd of Feb. You are welcome to attend the assembly at 2:10 to watch Paris receive her certificate. So talagang nagtinginan kami ni Daddy Mike, guys, kung yung natanggap namin yan. Kasi they just went back to school like just the beginning of the school last week. So like whole week. And straight away, ang ating Ate Paris ay makakatanggap ng award. Kaagad. Agad-agad. Oh, di ba? Diba talaga Ate Paris eh? Kalma-kalma kaya ang ating Ate Paris, pero ano ba? Wala siyang alam. As always.
Pink ice cream.
Surprise yan siya pagdating sa assembly. Very proud. Ang ating pinya, guys. Ayan.
Mama.
Asin.
Mama. Mama.
Yes,
Pink is my favorite color.
pink is your favorite color.
Not blue.
Much better.
Much better.
Orange. Do you like
It's
orange?
so yummy, guys.
Wow.
I like ice cream.
No, you should try it lang.
Carrot soup.
I don't want it.
Why not?
Because I'm not hungry.
Tastes great. The soup is orange.
Orange, orange, orange.
A few moments later.
So the kids are now at Amy's, guys. Mami kasi, may nabenta tayo over the weekend. So, kailangan na talaga siyang i-post today, guys. Like this dress here. Okay. I've got this lean na dress. This one is going to the UK. And then we have, pakita ko sa inyo yung dalawang Louis Vuitton bags na nabenta natin. Yung dalawa, Australia naman yung. Ito, yung dress na to ay sa UK. And I feel like sa taga UK to siya naibenta, guys, kasi yung kanilang alam mo, may mga royal bloodline sila, yung princess yung mga ganun. So, isa sa mga princess nila ay nagsuot ng dress na to. So, na ano din, gusto din nilang suot ng dress na suot ng princess. Okay, Celine. Where is Lainey going? At his school. Oh, careful, anak ko. Oh my God, the car is so hot, anak. Hang on, let me turn it on first, okay? An hour is in there. Oh my God, grabe kainit. Kay, kapaso. Okay, this way. This way, madam.
You are madam.
In there.
Where?
On the back. See, parents will sit on the back. Start pa lang silang maglakad, guys. So, punta sa kanilang hall. Look at Ate! Look at Ate! She didn't see us. I don't think she knew. Ate took off her hair tie. Look, there. There she is there. With Arya. There.
I can't see Auntie.
There.
Up there.
Yeah.
In 2KH, we have Paris for respect. For being a superstar student, Paris is kind, polite and very hardworking. Well done, Paris. In 3NN, we have Olivia for inspire. For inspiring all of us with your amazing attitude, kindness and willingness to try your best with everything, every time. Another one in 3NM is for Zion for inspire. A great way to start your Morningside journey. You've shown enthusiasm, effort.
Na guys, nandito kami ngayon sa harapan ng classroom natin, Paris. Dito kami maghihintay kasi 20 minutes na lang naman at uwian na. Tingnan nyo nga ng baby sila, no? May pabit-bit pa siyang cookie para sa kanyang ate, pero siya din kumain. Did you see Anya? Yeah, that's right. That's Anya. Call her.
No.
Oh, congratulations, Ati.
Mommy, can we go to Irene's house?
Did you know it, Nak?
Mm.
You didn't know?
I don't know.
Yeah, did you see us like there? Or not until you were in front?
Not until I went. Bye, Chrissy. Good job.
Say hello. Aww. Let's say thank you to Miss Horn. Huh? Miss Horn gave you this award. Look. Paris is kind, polite, and very hardworking.
Do you know it's special because this is our first one of the year?
I know, this is it. It's amazing. It's the first week. You're the one who's got the first one. Aileen, careful ka lang. Matanda ka lang.
I know what you want from me. Do-ba-do-ba-do-da-da. Oh my goodness. It's really apple. But me apple. No, you can.
See, I missed you.
Hi guys, so we're going to our reunions now. I'm so excited. Of course we are. Hi. So say hi. We're so excited. So we're in Canon Hill. It's only about 5 or 8 minutes.
3 minutes too.
Oh, 3.
So I had to drop them because mommy still has to go to post office.
Yeah. And guess what I got today? A ride certificate. I love you. Love you, Selena. Today was our first day at assembly. And it's really special because I was the first one who got a ride certificate. It's for respect. For being a superstar student, Paris is kind, polite, and very hardworking. Well done, Paris. So this is what it looks like. It has cute stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me see how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 1, 2, 7. So I'll see you when we get there. How do you turn it on?
Just push the remote. You may. Okay.
Can I ring the bell?
Can you reach? Oh, big girl.
This one?
Can you hear them? Hi, Anya.
My birthday card.
We saw you at school today. Hi. You look so gorgeous. How are you? Good. That's good. We saw you. We saw you at school today. Katapos lang natin sa post office. So I'm back at Amy's place now. May bitbit ako nito guys, 2 bags kasi birthday pala ng mama niya. And then, hindi ko man alam parang ano kanina yung invitation na come it's mom's birthday today. So, bitbit ko ito. Pipilian ko sa kanya kung ano yung mas bet niya. I saw that. Yay, food.
Okay, now can you
Oh, where's that? It's okay, I'm not taking anyone's space. Look, Ate. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Celine. Happy birthday. Oh, cute. Lini, yeah, Baba, look. Lini, here, Lini. Look at Amy. Look at Amy. Don't move, Baba, don't move. Lini, don't move, Ling, don't move.